Hi, I'm the Toy Mom, and today we're going to open two Play-Doh Disney princess sets. One of them is for Cinderella, and that is this one right here. And this one is for Rapunzel. To use the stamp, the handle of the stamp will be the crown of the princess. So you'll want to slide this into here like that. And now I have the Rapunzel stamp. Let's use the purple to start out with. There we go. Smooth it out a little bit. Okay. Let's see how that works. I think, look, I can use the knife and I can cut around my stamp. Put my extra Play-Doh away. Okay. There is, oh, there is our Rapunzel stamp. We can take even more off. So I like that. I like that. I'm going to bring it in even closer. Okay, so we got a stamp. Now, let's use some of the gold, and look, her knife has the castle, and then it has her putting her hair down. So let's start here and go up like this. Ooh, can you see? I don't know if you can see the sparkle, but there is sparkle in this gold Play-Doh. Let's see how that came out. Oh yeah, there we go. Now, on the other side, we have a starfish. So let's make that in gold. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. It has a lot of detail. There, you get an impression of the crown when you do that. So let's take a look at the Cinderella set. We have our Cinderella along with our Rapunzel. There's both girls. Yeah, very nice. There. Okay, can you see that okay? I like the little hearts. Oh yeah, it's got a lot of detail in that mold. See that? You can always take extra off. Do whatever you want. Thanks for watching. Now you can watch another one of my Disney Princess or Play-Doh videos, or one of the other videos my friends have made. Our pictures are always in the corner like these 4 examples. And please don't forget to subscribe and like.